Welcome back to AutoBank and RV Sales and Service in Greenville, South Carolina. We're looking at a 2014 Tiffin Allegro 38QBA. Super nice unit. The tires on this unit is 2021. All our units come with new house batteries and chassis batteries. This unit has a really nice paint job, and it's also a bunkhouse. And we'll show you that when we walk inside. It's powered by a 380 Cummins. It does have the outside entertainment. Has your standard 10-gallon hot water heater, 2 furnaces. Let's take a look inside. Welcome back to AutoBank and RV Sales and Service in Greenville, South Carolina. We're standing in the 2014 Allegro Red 38QBA. Super nice unit. It is a bunkhouse. We'll show you that in a moment. You have the overhead TV in the driver's compartment. These seats will turn around to give you extra seating in the living area. Jackknife couch, hide-a-bed couch. Really nice booth. We do have some chairs that will go with this booth to give you additional seating. Convection oven. Standard stovetop, no oven underneath. Stainless steel sink. RV refrigerator. It is a 4-door, so it is the larger of the RV refrigerators as far as cubic feet. You'll walk back here. We'll show you the bunkhouse. Bunkhouse lower and upper bunks with DVD players, TV. Super nice for your kids to have their little alone time, their own little area. Very conveniently. You can drive and ride in this thing when you're going down the road, sleep, whatever. Then you've got the bathroom, large bathroom, big shower. You walk to the bedroom. You have another entertainment center in the bedroom, a stackable washer and dryer, queen bed. Have a nice sized closet for your clothes and shoes and etc. Very well taken care of unit. This is a 2014 Allegro Red 38QBA at AutoBank and RV Sales in Greenville, South Carolina.